Hello guys, myself Chitra from SVCE. I'm here to explain about the waste audits and the pollution prevention in the textile. Waste audits and the pollution prevention in textile. This presentation will explore the role of the waste audits in identifying and mitigating the environmental pollution in textile industries. We uncovered the opportunities for sustainable practices. Importance of waste audits. These are the importance of waste audits. Going on to the compliance, meet regulations and avoid penalties by demonstrating the responsible waste management. Audits can help the textile companies proactively address the environmental issues. Coming up to the next important is cost reduction. Identify the waste streams and implementing reduction strategies can lead to a cost savings for a business. This can be achieved through resources, efficiency, and process optimization. Going to the next, we have sustainability. Demonstrate a commitment to a sustainable and attractive environmental consciousness customers by showcasing effective waste management practices. These are the importance of the waste audits. Conducting a waste audit. We have three steps. Those are define scope, data collection, analysis. Clear define the scope of an audit, including a specified production lines, departments, or processes. Data collection gather the data on the waste types, quantities, and sources, reconsidering the manual recording and weight sales for digital tracking systems. Analysis. Analyze the data, collected data to identify the patterns, trends, and the problem areas. Categorizing the textile waste streams, consumer waste, waste generated during a manufacture process, including a fabric, scrapes, yarn, and remnants and excess materials. Post-customer waste, waste generated after a customer has used products such as clothing, bedding, and upholstery. Packaging waste, waste generated from the packaging materials used to transport and store textile products. This includes cardboard boxes, plastic bags, and shipping labels. Modifying the waste generation, we have 50% of pre-consumer, significant portion for waste generation during a manufacture, 30% of post-consumer, disposed clothing and textiles, 20% of packaging waste from the packaging materials. These are the quantifying waste generated from the waste audit. Identifying the source of waste, cutting operations, fabric scraps and excess material from pattern cutting, sieving process, waste from stitching, seams and faculty stitching, dyeing and finishing. Waste from an excess dyes, pills, and resin process. These are the sources of waste. Pollution prevention opportunities. Reduce raw material. We have improved production processes, promote a sustainable sourcing. Coming up to now, reduce raw material use, optimize the fabric usage, and minimize the waste through efficient cutting patterns. Coming up to improve production process, we have implement a lean manufacturing techniques and reduce the waste through an process optimization and equipment upgrades. Coming up to now, promote sustainable sourcing. We have source materials from the suppliers within our sustainable practices, reducing an environmental impact through an chain supply. These are the pollution prevention opportunities to control a waste audit. Process improvements for an waste reduction. To implement the for an waste reduction, we having a few steps. Those are minimizing scrap, recycling the waste, reusing the waste. Coming up to the minimizing scrap, use software to optimize the cutting patterns and reduce fabric waste. Coming up to the recycling waste, use leftover materials to create new products, such as an installation and the fiber fill. Coming up to the reusing waste, repurpose scraps fabricators for packaging material, cloth, and non-other textile applications. These are the improvements for waste reduction. Recycling and repurposing the waste textile. Coming up to the first, we have mechanical recycling, threading and grinding waste textile to create a fiber fill installation for another materials. Chemical recycling, using chemical process to break down textiles and reclaim fibers for new products. Repurposing, we have creating new products from the textile waste such as other items. These are the recycling and repurposing textile waste. Implementing waste reduction strategies. By embracing the waste audits and implementing the sustainable practices, the textile industries can significantly reduce its environmental footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. Remembering the small changes can make a big difference. These are the implementing the waste reduction strategies which may we follow that leads to a waste reduction. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe and share.